prosecutors told the court they want to put 4 of the 6 officers on trial October 13th and try the others later. City prosecutors revealed their trial strategy in the case against 6 officers charged in the police custody death of Freddie Gray. They're seeking to try Cesar Goodson, Alicia White, Edward Nero, and Garrett Miller together. They face the most serious charges through an indictment. An attorney not associated with the case says doing so saves time and money.
It's for the convenience of witnesses, it's for the convenience of jurors, it's much less expensive.
In response to a defense motion for a change of venue, city prosecutors repeat some of the defense's own phrasing. They contend if a wave of public passion will prevent a fair trial from being held in Baltimore, that wave should be measured during jury selection. A defense attorney who is not associated with the case says that's usually how bias is gauged.
Is it an impossibility? No. I think what could happen is a judge would attempt to impanel a jury, and if a fair and impartial jury cannot be impaneled, then it may get transferred.
Lawyers for the 6 officers charged want the case to be tried outside of Baltimore. Prosecutors answered the defense motion saying the defense misconcedes the meaning of juror impartiality by equating knowledge of a crime with prejudgment of the accused. The defense argues that the death of Freddie Gray and the publicity surrounding the case generated a mob mentality. They contend press coverage of Gray's death and civil unrest poisoned any potential jury pool. Prosecutors countered, calling press coverage balanced if not sympathetic to the defendants. They cite an unscientific newspaper poll indicating 90.2% of the public believes there's not enough evidence to convict. Prosecutors took issue with the defense claims that public statements by police management, the mayor, and top prosecutor further prejudiced the case. Prosecutors responded to the defense, took some comments out of context. Prosecutors write the complaints are bark without bite. In a related development, we've learned that Commissioner Batts has ordered an internal affairs investigation into whether anyone at the police department leaked Freddie Gray's autopsy results. Reporting live from the Mitchell Courthouse, downtown, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.